Hi, I'm Natalie, and we're building a coding platform that is very fast, multiplayer, secure, and really simple to use, and it's called serial.dev. So serial.dev is currently in public preview, which means you can try it out today. There's no login required to get started. So let me show you how it works. So I'm on the serial.dev homepage, and I'm going to scroll down to the demo section. So when we have the full launch, you'll be able to start editing any repo you want. But for now, we're showcasing what the product can do with just these repos. So I'm going to choose to edit the bun repo. So now I have a dedicated coding sandbox with a VSCode IDE that is provisioned for me, and you saw it almost instantly. So let's explore some files. So I can expand and I can browse a few directories. And I could do other changes, but let me show you something cool. Serial.dev sandboxes are fully multiplayer, so I just need to copy the sandbox's unique link. I'm going to open a new browser window underneath and paste it in. And there we have it. We have two connected editors, one on top of the other. So I can open readme.md, and then I can show you that if I make a change in the bottom editor, it is immediately reflected in the top editor. So I'm editing the editor in the bottom, changes reflected in the top. Hello. So if I rename this license.md file to something else, and you can see the other editor down below, the change is immediately reflected, or I can copy a file. So with readme.md, you can see that I've copied the readme.md in the top editor. Have a look at what's happening in the bottom editor. And you can see the collaboration between our two editors is very fast. We've made a lot of optimizations to ensure that file editing is extremely fast and robust. So now let me show you why we chose to call our platform serial.dev. So if I go back to the home page and say, for example, I wanted to collaborate on OpenAI's codex, I can just press edit, go on the README, and I can start coding almost instantly. And then similarly, if I wanted to try out any of these amazing code bases, I can just press edit, go to the README, and just start typing. So that's the demo. If you want early access to serial.dev, we'd love to hear from you. So my email is natalie@serial.dev, and I'm at Natalie Marlaney on socials, so my XDMs are opened, and please stay tuned because we're shipping some really cool features really soon.